Hello YouTube, Ganesh Vapes here with another awesome video. Today what we're going to be discussing is how to properly use your gGo battery. So right out of the box it comes preloaded with a beauty ring. All you want to do is click the button 5 times fast. And you see the light's going to blink 3 times. Another indication that it's on is the light's going to glow out the bottom, GV. And so that's how you know it's on. To activate session mode, all you would do is press the button twice fast and it's going to automatically fire for 15 seconds. That way you can get a robust hit. To stop, just press the button once. To charge, there's a conveniently placed micro USB port on the side. All you want to do is plug in your USB cord and you can charge and vape at the same time. So, to properly install a cartridge, you would screw it right on the top, the 510 thread. And as you can see, with the beauty ring, it acts as a stabilizer. If we ever have this in our pocket, we put in a little pressure, it's not going to jump the threads. And then, when we want to put any wax atomizer, and this fits any wax atomizer on the market, is you simply screw it into this 808 threading. So there you go. That's a quick little tutorial on our gGo battery. For troubleshooting tips, we're going to add a video for that as well. Thank you.